Evening. This video documentation is in regards to the R171 chassis depot headlights. I understand that you're reporting that you might have a dark spot on one of the headlight side beam output. We have a passenger right side sitting up here that we pulled, and we've been working in the afternoon trying to reproduce the beam output to have it match yours so that we can strategize to see if we can come up with a solution or resolution in regards to your report. However, I actually have a 12-volt power supply on hand. I'm actually going to go ahead and bench test this headlights unit, powering up the low beam. We also have a positive wire running to the high beam, so we're going to activate the shutter, which we're going to show right now. So powering on. So right now I understand with the shutter open that the beam output for this is how it should appear. However, I have a coworker slowly spinning around the bulb just to give you an idea of what it might look like with the bulb not correctly latched. What you're seeing, the dark spot spinning around, will be the HID rod next to the bulb. So then the next thing my coworker is going to do is pull the HID bulb slightly back, and this is the only instance when he pulls the HID bulb backwards that he can reproduce this slight dark spot. If this is the case on your end, this most likely means that the HID bulb is not even latched or locked onto the projector, which this is not my hunch, and I might want to see if I can ask for your assistance in conducting another really brief troubleshoot just to confirm that the bulb being not latched is not the issue. So at this point, we're wondering if you're able to access the rear beam housing, removing the caps, and seeing that if you're able to check to see if the low beam HID bulb is firmly secured. Lastly, I'm wondering if we can kindly ask for your assistance in seeing that. I'm going to go ahead and power this off real quick to see if you can pull the HID bulb out. Of course, it's going to be loomed with the rear housing cap, but mainly just to see if cross-referencing the HID bulb would come up with any resolution, meaning that if the concern follows the HID bulb, it is very indicative of us that the HID bulb might be causing this concern, which we can follow the RMA to have it replaced. So again, this pretty much concludes the documentation for this. I just want to take the time to show the beam output, what we're trying to reproduce to recreate your report. Again, thank you so much for your time.